and welcome to Social Media Money Up. This is episode 3. In this episode, we will talk about 2 techniques that make your readers to buy immediately. In case we haven't met before, my name is Angie Perez B. I'm a social media marketing expert and you can find me on Twitter at Angie9Z and on Instagram at angieperez.b. If you are new to this podcast, please consider subscribing. I record weekly podcasts about the best techniques to grow your business or your blog and making money using social media and digital marketing. Okay, so you have your products, you have your services, you have your blog, you have your business, right? So when you are online or on social media or on your e-commerce or whatever, you need to write down texts. Texts to talk about or describe your products, your services, or whatever you are selling. We are going to call whatever it is that you sell or that you offer, we are going to call it here product. Just to simplify, okay? It might be like your service, it might be something like getting people to read your blog or whatever. We are going to call it product for making it simple to understand, okay? So, as I was saying, you normally need to describe your products. So when you create your text for describing your products on social media or on your website or on your blog, on your e-commerce or your ads, what you are trying to do is you are trying to sell that product. You are trying to create an attractive description, appealing description of your product. So you try to make the text appealing and convincing, detailing all the advantages, describing how your product is and what it does, etc. Well, you need to know about a technique called extra value proposition. But think about it. If you are selling shoes, for example, there are hundreds or even thousands of different brands of shoes out there. So you are in an ocean of offer. There are thousands of offers for your customer out there. There are thousands of possibilities for your customer to buy somewhere else. So here is where you need to design or create what is called extra value proposition. What is an extra value proposition? The extra value proposition gives your reader a powerful reason to buy from you, a competitive advantage of your products over the products in the market. The extra value proposition gives the customer a benefit bigger than the cost of getting your product. The cost is not only the price of your product. The cost also includes if they need to do something extra, like taking the car and going to your store, or filling up a form, or picking up the phone to place an order, etc. In case you are a blogger, instead of price to pay, change it for email address. If you're trying to get subscriber for your blog, the readers will perceive that the extra value proposition you are giving to them is bigger than the fact of providing you with their email. So how do you create an extra value proposition for your product? First, you need to identify how your product solves the problem of your customers. Then you need to identify the benefits that your customer will get with your product. And finally, you need to explain how your product is better than any other product in the market. Those are the elements of your extra value proposition, and now you need to articulate the extra value proposition that must be clear and easy to understand in just seconds. And now get ready for the secret weapon, the magical key that makes conversions like crazy. It's something that triggers automatic conversions, and it is called incentive taking action. Incentive taking action. What is that? Well, it means that your customer is receiving an instant benefit if they convert immediately. I'll give you some examples and you will understand. Example of this: get discount on any additional item added to your cart. Another example: buy 2 or more and get a free gift. Another example: sign up to get a free ebook. You can use this technique to motivate your reader to take any sort of action, like buy a product or hire your services or complete a survey or subscribe to your blog, etc. What kind of incentive can you create? Well, there are different kinds of incentives and you can create your own, but the most popular are price discounts, coupons, free samples, bonus items, free upgrades, gifts, and many more. So go ahead and try these techniques every time you need to create any sort of text for your products or services, and let me know how it goes. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I will be releasing weekly podcasts just like the one you just listened to, covering everything from the latest trends on social media, tools, strategies, and the best practices to help you grow your business or your brand and making money. I would like to invite you to my Facebook community called Social Media Money Up Group, where you can interact, learn, share your stuff, and network with other like-minded people. Happy socializing!